I'm starting a brand new workflow in N8N from scratch. I want to generate an image and then use AI vision to create a caption from the image. Well, I'm not entirely sure where I'm going to begin. I'd like to start by searching for an image generation node first. So I am going to search for image generate. Well, unfortunately, I am not receiving any kind of useful result. I cannot locate a generation node. Trying the dedicated search icon function. That's not better. I'll have to go search for it online and so on. Ultimately, it's not great. So I have a solution for that. I built N8N as code. It's a VS Code extension that allows you to build workflows directly using your favorite AI agent. So you will download it from the extension marketplace by searching for N8N as code. After installation, we will find a new tab in the left bar. Let's click on it. Next, you'll be able to click on the Initialize button. This will then configure a local synchronization folder and generate specific context files. We are essentially providing our AI agent with instructions on how to invoke our N8N command line utility. This is what gives the AI superpowers to build what the native search couldn't find. So now you're going to click on the board icon to visualize the synchronized workflow. It's empty for now. So we're going to use Copilot. I'm going to paste this prompt. Create a 3-step workflow. Use an AI agent to choose a subject, generate an image from it, and then use a Vision AI node to analyze that image and write a caption. So let's see what happens. And there you have it. The workflow has been generated, and N8N's integrated view updates itself instantly. The structure appears to be solid. The only thing the AI leaves for us are the credential settings. So we'll go ahead and do that. After that, I'm going to go check. I'll use GPT image 1, but otherwise everything else seems completely impeccable, right? So we are ready to start. We'll click on execute workflow. So the generation starts. It seems to be going along nicely. We're going to go and take a look. So we have a generated image here, and our image analyzer was able to create a summary just by looking at the image itself. Pretty neat. So let me know what you think in the comments below, and don't hesitate to download the extension from the link in the description to try it out for yourself.